So I'm about to do something incredibly irresponsible. I just bought a motorcycle, my first one. I've never ridden a motorcycle before. Well, I take that back. I've ridden dirt bikes, and I grew up on manual transmissions, and I've watched videos. Well, that's the same thing, right? Well, I just finished signing the paperwork and paying for it. And now I went home to get my gear and bought a new helmet that is pretty nice, actually. So I'm going to document this little process. I'm going to wear my chest mount camera, and we're going to see if I make it home. And I am super nervous. I'm not going to lie. My heart rate is well above its normal limit. So the plan is, after I figure out how the buttons work, is the place closed 20 minutes ago. So I'm hoping no one's going to be there, because this is going to be very embarrassing. And my plan is to just ride around in the parking lot for a little bit. Just, kind of get used to the clutch and make sure that, I know how the turn signals and turn the headlights on and things like that work before I get out on the road. So this is either going to be, it's going to be entertaining, because I sat on it and I was like, this feels amazing. My good buddy Anker mentioned, he's like, he goes, I know what the perfect bike for you would be, and that's the Yamaha MT-07. And I was like, all right. So I went to the dealer down the street. And fortunately, I'm only 5 minutes from the dealership, or 5 miles. So I don't have to go that far. And it's a Saturday evening, 6:30 right now. There's not a lot of traffic out. I think I can do this. So I got on the bike. I sat on a bunch of them. But the MT-07 really just, like, it was calling to me. He was 100% right. Yeah. It's, like, not too small, not too big. Like, it feels like something that I would enjoy. So the question is can I get it home? So I'm driving my car over there now. I got the keys, I got my helmet, I got my gear. Now I just need some luck and some good traffic to survive. All right, here we go. So I thought I'd mention that these are the roads I'm going to be going back down on. Lots of bumps, but traffic looks decent. I don't see a lot going on. I'm going to try to baby it as much as possible. I'm going to be the slowest motorcycle on the road probably ever, but I'm almost there. I'm so nervous. All right, here we are. First time. She's pretty. See if I can keep her that way. All right. I'm latched in. It's good. Whew. All right. All right. I am in neutral. I will. Thank you. Feels pretty good. Alright, let's get my... Alright, stop. I got my rear brake, my front brake. Alright, looks like the clutch releases right at about 3/4 of the way. Second. Alright, back to first. Feels very much like the dirt bike that I had before. I'm so about 20 miles an hour in first gear. Alright, so I need to be under the peg, it looks like, is my footrest. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, no phone, no experience. Let's fucking go. Alright, so we're gonna go through the gears pretty quick. Go back to second. Oh shit, looks like we're going back to first. Alright. First stop complete. Pretty good, I guess. Still alive. Why was I in third gear? Oh, because I just clutch brake. Alright. I'm on a motorcycle. How cool is that? Pretty neat. Got a little turn signal line? Yeah. Huh.
hard to like watch your speed because your gauge is like not in your peripheral. Oh, I forgot my gloves. That's why my hands are cold. I knew I forgot something. Other than my phone.
So I wanted to do a quick little after action report. I survived, and I have to say that was intense, to be quite honest. I had never the closest thing I'd ever ridden was a dirt bike, and so getting that out on the street was very nerve-wracking. But after a while, I started to kind of get used to it. The only thing I had a real issue with was downshifting. I thought it would be more of a click, 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 but it was actually more of a hit, come up, hit. You know, took a minute to get kind of used to that. But yeah, wow, that was fun. I really liked it. It was actually more stable than, I mean, obviously, than the Predator. I still love my e-bike, and I'm gonna still be riding that a lot. But it's kind of cool to have the real thing as well. So yeah, gonna be doing some videos with this little guy here soon. But for now, just gotta stay parked.